Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO A54s and I want to show you a few camera tips. And the first, we can start from the standard photo mode where we can use the zoom feature. So as you can see, we can go between 1x, 2x and 5x, but we can also click and hold to get this slider, and we can also set, like, for example, 3x or 4x, and we can very smoothly zoom in and zoom out. When you click and hold your shutter, you can take series of the photo. The same way you can use the volume buttons, volume up and down. Take a look. Okay, actually, the volume down button is not working like that. Okay, right now it was so laggy, so never mind. But basically, we can take to the 20 photos in the one interval. When you click once, you can take photo also by using this volume buttons, but it will be single photo, just like that. The next step, we can change the brightness level on the photo and the video mode by moving this icon. We can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen, or just wait a few seconds until this icon disappears. When you tap right here, you can change color and the temperature on the photos. As you can see, there's like 15 different filters. If you want to take photo with this one, just click on the shutter, and there it is. You can go back for the original, just like that. There's also the fingerprint sensor, but it's not working as the shutter, so we cannot use it. But we can go for the settings, go for the shutting methods, and when we can enable tap to capture. And right now, when you click on the screen, it will also take photos. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.